My name is Mike, and it's my mission to show you just how easy it is to grow food. Today we're doing that with a compost geobin. We have several of these we've been using for 2 or 3 years now. It's simple, practical, gets the job done, makes it easy to stir them up, as well as allows for aeration to get oxygen in through the holes. I'm going to go through the process of setting this up, taking it out. These are very simple, which is why we like them. Comes with 5 clips, and the clips are designed to keep it easy so that you can adjust the size. And I'm just going to lay it out to play it out for you right now here. This is where the time lapse comes in. Okay, so as you can see, that's not the prettiest. We still need to expand this out. But because of how coiled up it is, I'm just going to make a couple adjustments here. Okay. So now, get it to the size we want. You can go as wide as you want or as narrow as you'd like. What I'm trying to do is find the width we want. So I can start setting it, and then it'll set itself once we can get these initial clips in. Give this a little back bend here. Alright, so that looks nice and wide. And that's kind of what we're going for. So I've got a section here along the side that I'm going to clip. So this thing will start getting in place here. So very simple. I usually go about 1 down and clip it. And if it's easier to turn it on its side, which I'll do for demonstration purposes here. Get our second clip in. And comes with 5 clips. So I usually do 3 on the outside, and then once we fully wrap it to its width or girth, then I use 2 clips on the inside. So it's going to find our last hole here. Okay, so that's our shape. That's what we're going with. So I want to make this one a little bit wider than these ones here. So I'm just going to show you how easy this is to adjust. So let's see, we'll go to this next one here. Okay, now we're in business. Nice and wide, because if these ones are going to sit for a while and I need to throw some branches or just random garden scraps out here, it'll be plenty big. And we'll get this fully rolled out. And we can always put it into place afterwards, so you can do this somewhere else and then move it. And we'll show you what it looks like once it's connected. So we're going to get this whole pile here into our compost geobin, but you can see how it's clipped. All these aeration holes in here, you can see the sun coming through, and then this one has the clips as well. This can be easily moved around, resized, however you want to do it. If you'd like to purchase a compost geobin, we have a link down below to save you a few bucks. And let me know if you have a compost geobin, how it's working for you, or is there an alternative out there? Comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. And that's it for today. Peace and love. We'll catch you on the next video.